What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark, back at it.
What is this? This is the new AR shirt?
Yeah.
And Max is paying you for that?
Yeah.
Okay. It's 20 bucks an hour still, right?
We don't have AR sweaters,
it's
man.
20 bucks an hour, right? He's
Yeah.
paying
20 bucks. That's not bad.
So we're gonna do the GT3 RS in the bottom, the M8, and my car. M8, oh yeah, M8
So
first.
started in third gear?
Yeah. This car,
Okay.
oh, Ron's Porsche?
Yeah.
Okay. If you look on Google and you see, type in GT3R drivetrain, GT3R.
GT3.
Yeah, drivetrain. Completely dismiss that because that's not, it looks like a GT3R, but it's not. Okay? 911R, I'm sorry, 911R. 911R. So, I don't know. Is it even manual, Ron?
Nah, dude.
It's like the fake shit, right?
It's
Yeah, just put it in fucking gay mode and just drive it.
This guy's a good fuck, dude. The car, is that
Rod's car is sick. Disclaimer, his car is fucking sick, okay?
This is my boy's M8.
Mikey, if you're watching, I love you, man. You know I love you, dude. He loves you. Shit's gonna get done, I promise. There's all of that settling? Because Calvin was driving it. So it should have settled when...
Slammed, bro. It was slammed.
I know, when you were driving it, shit was...
Like it was on air, bro.
That's what I'm saying.
That's pretty sick, man. This is an air kit.
Oh, you got this, Joseph. Sorry, did you do it forward?
No, full reverse.
He
Go
said
straight
forward.
in. He can't go. There's no way.
So you guys know we're trying to see...
You can go ahead in now.
Have you ever driven stick before?
Yeah.
Okay, what cars?
Leave it on you, dog. We have another one next door.
E46 M3.
Okay. It's an E46 M3.
All right.
Okay.
Let's see what's up, dog. Go forward in.
Go forward in. I got you.
He's got like fucking 7 fake lips, dude. Don't trip. What's up, brother? How are you?
This motherfucker's gonna fuck this shit up.
No, he's driven an E46 M3 before. It's the same shit.
So my clutch, if it's not in sport mode because of the tune, it's extremely hard to catch if you're not used
What,
to it.
the engagement point is really late or something?
You have to actually
Feather it?
Feather it.
Oh, let's see.
Just a tad bit.
Do you know how to turn it on? Yeah, he's tall. I always scoot it up forward too. I told you, he's a freak, dude. You guys, I told you he's a freak. He's like
Dude,
look at him.
Yao
These are
Ming,
like
dog.
Shaq. You know Shaq? Yao Ming? Oh, shit.
I think it'll be fine. I think it'll be good. You drove an E46 M3. Same shit.
Holy shit, this motherfucker has COVID.
He probably still tests positive on PCR, but I doubt he's contagious.
You know what? I'm gonna take yours anyways.
He's not contagious.
Oh my god, this fool's in there like this reverse.
Oh, he doesn't want to reverse it.
Oh,
There
it
you
just
go.
hits the floor already, Will. You think it's gonna work? Oh, yeah, I wanna see this one. Oh, yeah, not low, huh?
Oh,
Damn, you got it.
Damn, you can't even drive your car and he can.
I thought he doesn't drive stick though. He learns stick really.
He got it up without driving.
Yeah, he's good. Good shit, Josie.
Hell yeah. I was nervous.
Good
as fuck.
shit.
Lick your thing and rub it
man,
all
you
over his
fucking
shit.
have fucking COVID, dog.
Joseph just got over COVID.
What's
So
that?
he's probably still positive on the PCR, but not contagious. So you should spit all over Ron's car right now. There you go. Yep.
See my little aprons I added on? With my fucking shit? GT3, dog.
I never liked those.
Oh shit.
I never liked these because it ruins the
It's
symmetry.
full carbon, bro.
No, I get it.
It looks dope from the side though. Completes the length.
Shut the fuck up.
You want me to put it in here?
No. Just put the E-brake on.
Yeah.
How'd it feel?
Motherfucker thinks he's a race car driver and shit.
Shut up, motherfucker.
He couldn't even get black bolts. What's wrong with this guy?
Drive a Tesla, shut up. Pussy.
A Tesla will smoke your car.
It will actually.
I didn't just give props to the Tesla, okay? I just wanted to talk shit on Ron.
This has our exhaust on it, by the way.
Ultraviolet.
Full titanium, you know, light.
Go ahead. I'll do the paid partnership right now. Go.
Lightweight, full titanium exhaust.
It's got the AR exhaust.
Open the valves, Calvin. Oh.
What are you putting on this car?
Some shit.
BBS's?
Everything. Full carbon, everything. Go to the right. Alright, chill out, man. This guy. He looks like Grimace in this thing. Dude, Jay had COVID too, bro. You're fucked.
Hey, how did that feel? Like revving it and shit.
Oh, good. Oh, he has a white fucking.
Damn,
stripe
bro, is
too?
this your car?
Is that a white stripe?
Hey, is this your shit?
Oh, I was like,
Yeah.
Hey, is this shit is your shit right here?
and the McLaren too. So you know.
The McLaren too? Damn, bro. Those are the Barney B1s, right?
Yeah, yeah.
That's sick. That's the on the.
It's the Gengar ones.
Oh, the gang. Oh shit. Damn. This is nice, bro.
What do you do for a living, bro?
Yeah. What do you do?
You know, a lot of people say they do OnlyFans.
Yeah.
I watch OnlyFans.
Oh yeah. You charge other people for the premium shit that you pay for, and you
I
keep
pay
the.
for the bathwater.
Yeah, that's sick. You buy them farts?
About the underwear.
He does.
More about socks. Yeah, socks you can last, you can fuck. You can fuck
Josh,
a sock,
let me
you
get
can't really
you
fuck a
that.
fart. You can't fuck a fart. You can tie your balls with a sock.
What are you gonna do with the fart? Huh?
What are people doing? Just sniff that shit?
Yeah, I think they sniff it.
You got some?
Nah, I can make some.
Hell no. This shit probably stinks. Anyway, guys.
The kit came for the Tesla. Well, part of it. I got I'm gonna open it all out, I'm gonna lay it out. I'm gonna tell you guys exactly what versions that these are. Because there's version 1 and version 2. I picked the versions, I mix match the versions depending on what style I felt that I wanted the car to be in. So I'll go over those. I'm gonna open these right now. I'm gonna lay it all out and then, yeah. All right, you guys, here's the kit. It's not complete, but I'm gonna go over it. First of all, shout outs to CMST for hooking me up with this kit. Like I said, it's mismatched versions 1 and version 2. In fact, let me pull up which versions that I got. So obviously this is CMST. It seems like really good quality stuff. I got the, I'm gonna go over which versions that I got. The only thing missing from here is the carbon wide body wheel arches, the flares. So those are gonna come like in a couple weeks, but as far as everything else, it's here. So what I got was, like I said, they have version 1 and version 2 for the Model Y. And this is the front lip version 2. They only have 1 side skirt, so this is the front lip. It's 2 pieces. Okay. And then they have the side, and then it's the side skirts. They have only 1 version of the side skirt. Okay. And then I got the version 2 hood. So this is a version 2 hood. I like the way it looks a little bit better than version 1 on this car for some reason. It just, the way the lines flow in the middle, if you see the car from far away, it kind of gives it like a more aggressive look. So that's why I chose that one. We have the Diffuser version 2. By the way, these are little like valance parts for the front bumper. Version 2 rear diffuser. And you could tell the difference between version 1 and version 2 is that third brake light. I like that look more. So, and as far as the wing I got version 1. So this is the version 1 wing. I like the way it looks with the grooves. It reminds me of like a Vorsteiner style for the C63, the W204 versions. I had one of those. It kind of reminds me of that a little bit. I'm sorry, the trunk. But yeah, this is the kit. Me and Ron are gonna fucking install it. I thought it was gonna be much easier, but it seems like you gotta drill, and then we need like double-sided tape, so you know, it's gonna be a little bit more work than just kind of slipping it on. But yeah, let's take the car apart and see what we got. All right, guys, me and Ron made a fucking determination that we're not gonna install it right now just because we're fucking tired. So that was the unboxing. The next video, I'll put this on. Hopefully my coilovers get here in time so we could slam it too, but we'll see. The next video, we'll put this bitch on. But anyways, Ron always thanks you guys for tuning in. And he didn't know I was gonna say that, but yeah, much love to you guys. Subscribe, all the other bullshit if you can. It'll really show your support. Yeah, catch you guys on the next one. Peace.